So right back there is where I am. And this is the beach I'm on. Flying through the water describes the Pacific harbor seal. It is in the scientific order Pinnipedia, stemming from the word pinna meaning wing and pedia meaning foot. These wing-footed mammals spend a majority of their time searching for food in the ocean, capable of diving down below a depth of 1,200 feet and staying submerged for 30 to 40 minutes. They hunt for fish, crabs, octopus, squid, and shellfish. They have smooth heads with no external ears and are covered by tan and brown or silver and black dappled fur. Though they spend most of their time at sea to forage and mate, harbor seals have hauled out on the beaches of Carpinteria for many years. They come on land to rest, regulate their body temperatures, give birth, molt, and help digestion. Harbor seals move awkwardly when on land. Always keep a good distance away from these marine mammals. Human and dog disturbances to the haul-out areas can cause a reduction in seal numbers, increased seal pup deaths, and lead to parents abandoning their pups. Harbor seals are protected by the Marine Mammal Protection Act of 1972, making it unlawful to approach, feed, touch, or disturb them. And here's my campsite tonight. And I'm heading over here. And there's my tent, all set up. So, just got told of a tsunami advisory. Chances are it's just going to be that the tides are going to be a few feet higher than expected. So I'm really glad that I'm not out on my beach. But I am at a beach. I'm at Carpinteria State Beach Campground. There's like a mound or hill or whatever of sand, about 10 feet high or whatever. So I would assume that the waves would have to, get over or get through that. Chances are nothing to worry about. But still getting packed up, getting my backpack ready so I can strap it on and run. 20 minutes of running south, I'll hit the bluffs. So I should be high enough if, there's anything to really worry about. I don't know. I'm gonna go here and look at the ocean in about an hour. They say don't do this. I'm gonna go do it. I'm gonna go look and see. And if it looks fucked up, like it's pulling way far out and shit, I'll grab my backpack and I'll start running towards the bluffs. Otherwise, I'm just gonna ride this out. I faced death so many times on this journey. I'm not really worried. I don't want to die by drowning or getting hit with like a fucking boat or whatever. But when it's my time, it's my time. I've had an amazing fucking life. So I'm totally at peace with that part. Just not fully at peace with the means. Like, I'm not trying to die by fire or, like I said, drowning, get hit with the boat or what the fuck ever. Oh, shit. Fuck a duck. Alright, so I'm gonna spark up, smoke a little weed, get my shoes on, and make my way out to this ocean. Ugh. Yeah, fun times, fun times. Back to this goddamn adventure. So my tent site is over there by that tree. And here's the 10-foot hill of sand. Not really. And right there is the beach. So close. Much closer than what I thought. And there's today's magic, y'all. I just love rainbows. Let me set this up. So I got myself a nice little back, kick back at this view. I'm sitting out here with this awesome view, and look what found its way to me. The beer angels came down the trail and brought me a beer. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. So I'm over there, and this is my view tonight. And that's my view. It's gonna be a good morning. That's the oil rigs out there. This is my night on the beach. Fuck yeah. I did about 6 or 8 miles today, and I'm back on my beach, stealth camping with a fire. I don't care. Got my umbrella kind of blocking a bit of it from the resort and whatnot down at the end. But it's fucking cold, and I'm staying warm tonight. And that's a pretty damn good fire. Here is my last sunset. Till the next time I make my way back down. Wow, look at all these shells and stones. Let's see what we can find. There's my spot. Here's my last sunrise of Carpinteria until I make it back down this way in about 10 to 12 months. There's my train. Look at that, y'all. Rainbow. That's so fucking cool. And that's such a great view, too. Look at that, all the way over. Fuck yeah. Magic everywhere I go, y'all. Magic everywhere I go. And as always, guys, it's your hit. Don't make me smoke all this weed by myself. Find me, follow me, see where I am. I challenge you to come out and walk 1 mile with me, and I will show you magic. The beer angels came down the trail and brought me a beer. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Much love and much peace, you all. hopefully I'll be viewing the sunrise from one of those islands when I come back. We'll see. Come on, sun, warm it up. Warm it up. Need to smoke.